Let us create a cash flow diagram in Excel for a household monthly income and expenses for a year. T equals 0 in this example is January 1st, 2022. We're going to tabulate all of the income and costs categorized in the form of rent, utilities, auto expenses, food, and miscellaneous costs for a full year each month. On January 1st, which is the beginning of the first period, there is no income, rent, utilities, or other costs. At the end of period 1, we will have an income, rent, utilities, auto expenses, food, and some miscellaneous costs. The income is positive and all of the expenses are negative. We can continue and tabulate all of this data throughout the year, and then try to draw the cash flow diagram in Excel. I need to mention that we have 6 columns and we have 6 column titles. For this 12 periods, we have 13 row titles. Row titles are called instances. In order to create the cash flow diagram in Excel, you need to select all of the data, numeric data, plus the titles, both column titles and row titles, or instances. Once you select all of the data with the titles, you go to Insert tab, look under Charts, select this icon, choose the 2D stacked column chart. Move that out of the way. Double-click on the chart title and rename it Income and Expenses. You'll notice that the x-axis is the row titles. The vertical axis is the numeric value, the dollar amount, but it's not showing as numbers. So in order to change these numbers to dollar amounts, you can select the numerical cells, the data values, and click on the dollar sign or select accounting from here. That way, the numbers are going to show in the form of a dollar number. If you want to get rid of the cents, you can click on this icon and decrease the number of decimal points. There you have it. Cash flow diagram in Excel for a household for a year on a monthly basis.